Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Jencraft. For today's video guys, I want to show you how to crochet these bikini tops. To begin, we need to make a slip knot. Then chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After chain 12, we need to make half double crochet and the second stitch from the hook. So dito, half double crochet. And the next stitch, then 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So ganyan yung half double crochet. Next stitch, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So this is our half double crochet. We will continue this pattern all the way to the last stitch. After this row, we need to chain 1 and then turn your work. We will make half double crochet on the back loop. So half double crochet, then the next one, half double crochet. So we'll do this pattern, half double crochet in the back loop yung dito. Ito yung 2 loops, then dito, half double crochet. So we will do this pattern all the way to the last stitch. Then on the last stitch, we need to make 7 half double crochet. Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Ito yung 7 half double crochet. Then the next, we need to make half double crochet. So half double crochet all the way to the last stitch. So now we're in the last stitch, chain 1 and then turn your work. So this time we need to make half double crochet in 2 loops until stitch 12. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we're on the middle stitch. On the top, we need to make 5 double half crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after 5 double crochet in one stitch, we'll make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This is the end of our row. After this row, we need to chain 1 on your work and then make half double crochet in 14 stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. In the middle, we need to make 5 double crochet, 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now this is our 5 half double crochet in the middle, and the next we will make half double crochet in 14 stitches all the way down here in the last stitch. So now this is the end of our round. Next, chain 1 and then turn your work. Now this time we need to make half double crochet in 16 stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll continue this until 16 stitches. We need to make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 half double crochet, we will make 16 half double crochet in these 16 stitches all the way in the last stitch. So we're on the last stitch, then chain 1 and turn your work. This time we need to make half double crochet in 18 stitches all the way on the top here. Then on the top we need to make 5 half double crochet and then another 18 half double crochet all the way to this. And then after that we need to chain 1 and turn your work. Go up here on the top, we need to add another 5 half double crochet and then 20 half double crochet all the way the last stitch. So now our bra is forming curve, and you make another one until you reach kung gaano kalaki yung gusto natin sa bra. Pero sa akin, I will do the medium size, which is my size. And then chain 1 and turn your work, half double crochet. Then we have 22 half double crochet in each stitch. And the last stitch on top, we need to add another 5 half double crochet and then 22 half double crochet until we reach what size we want of our top or our bra. So at the end of this round, we need to make half double crochet in the last stitch. Then chain 1 and then turn your work, chain another 1, and then on the stitch we need to make 1 double crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and the third make 1 double crochet. In the next 1 double crochet. So ganyan siya. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitch, and the third 1 double crochet. 1 more double crochet. The next. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 chain, skip 2 stitch, and then on the third stitch 1 double crochet, The next one, 1 double crochet. Ganyan. So, magiging ganito na yung itsura niya. So, gagawin natin ito, paikot hanggang dito sa last stitch. Babalikan ko kayo pagdating dito. So, at the end of this round, and chain 2, and then 1 and 2. So, ganito na yung ating bra. Gagawa tayo ng dalawa. Ito na yung isa at ito. Dapat magkaparehan sila ng size. Ayan. So, the next, di natin cut yung yarn. Chain 1 and then half double crochet. Ito. The next, half double crochet. The next stitch, half double crochet. The next stitch, half double crochet. The next, half double crochet. Half double crochet. Another half double crochet. Another half double crochet. Then other half double crochet. So we will make half double crochet all the way to this side. Yung ito yung sa baba, yung dito. Dito half double crochet all the way to the last stitch. So ito na yung end ng ating sa baba. Yung dito sa bottom, yung half double crochet in each stitch. So ngayon, wag natin i-cut yung ating, di natin i-cut yung ating yarn kasi i-join natin silang dalawa. So pagdating dito sa last stitch, we need to grab yung other cup natin. Ito na siya. Okay, and then join them together. So half double crochet in the stitch. So now we are in the last stitch of our first cup. Then next, grab the other cup and join them together by half double crochet. Ayan. Another half double crochet in the next stitch. Then half double crochet in the next. So, ganito na siya. Yan. So, i-join natin dito half double crochet all the way to the last stitch. Carry along this yarn para maitago siya. Yan. Then, next, half double crochet. 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, fold through 3 loops. Yan ang half double crochet. Next one, half double crochet. Another one, half double crochet. One more half double crochet. So we'll make this pattern half double crochet in each stitch all the way to the last stitch. Babalikan ko kayo pagdating dito sa last stitch. So pagdating dito sa dulo, sa last stitch, we need to make another half double crochet back to the side. So, pagdating dito, babalik tayo dito ng another maybe 3 times. So, 1, 2, then 3. So, balikan ko kayo after ng 3 back and forth na half double crochet. So, chain 1, and then turn your work, and then half double crochet in the next stitch. Another half double crochet in the next. Another half double crochet in the next. Yan. Then another half double crochet. Half double crochet. So we'll do this pattern all the way to the last stitch. Then balik ulit another 1 half double crochet. Babalikan ko kayo pag matapos yung 3 times na half double crochet. So now in the last stitch, we need to chain 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go on until you have 81 chain. Then I will show you how to do the single crochet. So now this is our 80 chain, and then plus 1, 81, and then make single crochet. Skip 1 stitch from the hook, and then the next stitch single crochet. The next stitch single crochet. The next one single crochet. Next one single crochet. And the next single crochet. So we will make the single crochet all the way to the last stitch. Then ito yung ating 80 chain, and then single crochet hanggang dito sa last stitch, and then single crochet hanggang dito sa taas, and then 80 chain, ito yung 80 chain, and then single crochet, go back, and then single crochet hanggang pagdating dito, single crochet, and then single crochet paikot hanggang dito sa dulo, hanggang another 80 chain. So ngayon, ito na yung natapos na ating tops, bikini tops. Yan, may mga tali-tali siya. Ito siya, itali siya dito. Tapos ito naman dito, itali siya sa likod. So dahil may mga butas-butas siya, hindi naman pwedeng isuot natin siya agad na ganito. So, kailangan natin siya lagyan ng lining sa loob. Balik pa rin lang natin siya. Tapos ilalagay natin yung lining natin. Ayan. Sana lagyan ko siya ng foam, pero wala naman akong foam na panlagay dito. So, ganyan na lang siya. At di lang siya makita. Ayan. Itatahi natin siya. Siyempre, hindi natin siya itahi hanggang dito sa sa design niya. Kasi talagang may mga butas yan dyan. Dito lang siya. Sa gitna. So, itatahi natin siya ng mula dito hanggang ganyan. Dito. Ganyan, paikot hanggang dito sa last. Tatahi lang natin siya sa kamay. Pwede rin pag may sewing machine kayo, sa sewing machine tahi. Pero ito, ko lang siya, kamay. Madali lang naman. So, mag-start tayo magtahi dito, pag ganyan. Siyempre, ilalabas natin yung mga design niya ng mga butas-butas dyan. Para naman sexy tingnan. Yan. Hanggang dito. So, babalikan ko kayo pag tapos na siya. Matahi. So, ngayon, ito na yung ating bra. Tapos na nalagyan ng kanyang tapos ito pa, itahi natin. So, extra yarn. Ito siya, itatahi natin siya dito sa hindi siya madaling matanggal. Kailangan pa rin natin siyang itahi ito. So, well, ito yung ating tapos na bra. Mayroon siyang lining para hindi siya, hindi makita. So, yan na siya. Tapos ito siya. Itatali natin dito sa leeg. And ito naman, itatali natin siya sa likod. So, ganyan na siya, guys. Yan. So, ito na yung tapos na ating tops. Bikini tops. Yan. Ito siya ay size, yung cup niya ay cup B. Tapos, yung size dito ay 36. Sukat ko is 36. Pero, malaki pa naman yung allowance. Pwede rin i-adjust natin. Pero, syempre, pag malaki yung boobs mo, kailangan mo kung mas gusto mo yung sexy, pwede na to. Pero, kung gusto mo yung matagunan talaga yung boobs mo, kailangan mo mag-add ng another 1 row na ikot. Para mas malapad siya maging kapsi. So, ito na yung ating tops. Done. Tapos na.